Checking out the InSinkErator food waste disposer model Evolution Compact. If you're wondering just how quiet it is, this video is for you. I could mic it up to sound loud or quiet. It turns out I can give you a fair and accurate impression by wearing this lapel mic and making familiar splashy sounds in the sink as a point of comparison.
Apologies for the under sink mess, but it is under the sink, and this is the InSinkErator Compact P that I just installed, and previously it was also an InSinkErator. I can show you. It does on the top. That's the sound of it. Not much quieter than what I had before, even though they do tout the quietness. The one problem I had, which I'll write about, is on these pipes here. They were very old. Not too old, like 7 years old, but I needed to replace all of them or else it was leaking. But now it's working like a champ. I did it myself, and I can't say I'm good at that kind of stuff, but I did it. And I'm glad I bought it.